Well, President Trump's goal is to roll back several government regulations, and if one California congressman has his way, those regulations will include FDA regulations pertaining to vaping. One America's John Hines has more from Washington.
The practice of using e-cigarettes, or what is commonly called vaping, is recognized by some as a nearly harmless alternative to smoking and as an effective way to kick the habit. But now the FDA wants to regulate vaping just like tobacco, which could threaten this new technology, says California Congressman Duncan Hunter.
Vaping is not tobacco use. You're not lighting a cigarette or a cigar on fire and then inhaling that smoke. I want to separate it legally because right now there is no regulatory framework for vaping. Right? So the FDA puts it all together, and the FDA came out about a year ago and said, we're going to stop all new vape products, period, all of them, literally all of them.
And the FDA would stop all these new products by imposing extraordinarily high costs on the many small businesses that sell vaping products, which could put a lot of these businesses out of business, says Hunter.
The FDA said for every flavor and for every nicotine percentage that you have, most stores, most small businesses that you pass that say, vape store, they carry hundreds of these things. The FDA would want the company to go through a process, $1 million process that you would do for a cure for cancer, for each type and taste and nicotine percentage that they sell.
As Hunter says, FDA regulations would impose high costs due to the Tobacco Control Act, which was designed to keep new tobacco products from being brought to market. And the FDA so far doesn't plan to make any exceptions, even for products that may be less harmful than tobacco, says Paul Blair, who follows the issue for Americans for Tax Reform.
What the regulation is a definition change that subjects these new products to an old regulation that was designed to prevent new products from hitting the market. This move may constitute the largest setback in public health in generations. Despite the fact that these products don't contain tobacco, they have said that because some of them can contain nicotine, which does come from tobacco, they're completely within the regulatory authority they have under the Tobacco Control Act to regulate them as new tobacco products.
In addition to introducing legislation, Congressman Hunter is also lobbying the Trump administration to change the regulations through executive action, a change that could help many smokers kick the habit in the future. John Hines, One America News, Washington.